Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to use flask-cors, a Flask extension for adding access control allow origin headers to your application in order to be able to use your API from your frontend when they are on different origins. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. So here we're in our terminal, so we're going to install our extension. So we're going to say poetry, add, and then we're going to say flask-cors. Okay, so this has installed. Our server is running. So before we do anything, we're going to jump into Postman and we're going to make a request so we can get our users correctly. But if we go to the headers, we don't see any header that is named access control allow origin. So this is what we're going to add now. So now we're going to head to our extensions and we're going to add our newly installed extension. So we're going to say cors, and here with capital cors, we're going to instantiate this and we're going to import it from flask-cors. So now we're going to head to our application and we're going to initialize the application with this extension. So we're going to say cors and we're going to import this. And then we're going to say init app and we're going to pass our app instance. So if we leave this to default and we head to Postman and we make this request, here we have access control allow origin and here it has all. So essentially, if we leave this as is, which is the default, it means that for all origins and for all endpoints, we will have this header. However, if we want to restrict it to specific endpoints and origins, we want to add a keyword argument. So here I'm going to add resources, and here this accepts a dictionary or a string. But in our case, we're going to add a dictionary. So for our dictionary, we're going to add our regular expression here, and we're going to say API / and then a wildcard. So all the URLs after API, okay, because we want to whitelist it for our API. And here we're going to add a dictionary as a value. So as the key, we're going to say origins, okay. And then here we're going to add a list of origins that we want to whitelist. So in my case, I'm just going to add the local host. So I'm going to say http / localhost. Okay. So if we head back to Postman, so here we had all. So if I send this request, we get http / localhost. However, you can add as many as you like here. Here you have another keyword called methods. And this essentially again takes a list and accepts HTTP methods. So that being get, head, post, options, put, patch, and delete. For this example, I'm not going to add this. In most of the cases, this will be enough, okay? Adding your domain and essentially your API will be enough. However, if you want more granularity, what you can do is you can have an empty dictionary. And then if we head back to Postman and we make this request, the header is gone. So what do we do from here? So we can go to our views and we can add another route. Okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to say blueprint, and then I'm going to say route, and then I'm just going to add a test route. So I'm going to say test cors, and then here we need a function, and I'm going to say test cors. This doesn't need to be the same, and here I'm just going to return an empty dictionary. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to decorate our function with another decorator that comes from the flask-cors package, and that is cross origin. So if I import that and I call it, if I head back to Postman, so here we've got this route called test cors. So if I make this request, we get the empty dictionary, but more importantly, if we go to headers, we get access control, allow, origin. So yeah, this is the flask-cors package. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please like, comment, and share this video, as this helps the channel grow so I can keep making these videos. I upload new videos every week about Python and Flask, so if you want to get notified when I do, please subscribe, as well as click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever a new video is released. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.